Hello. Okay. Welcome, student. Welcome to the course of Industrial Engineering. In the continuation of our last lecture, that is production planning, we came across a term that is forecasting method. Okay. We see different types of forecasting techniques or forecasting methods. From today's video, we are going to see one by one all the forecasting methods or forecasting techniques. The first forecasting techniques is or forecasting model is time series model, or also known as estimated on past experience. Okay. And one model that is also related to time series model is causal model. And first go with time series model. Time series model, or in different book you will see by the topic estimate based on इधर आ रहा है चमक रहा है एक मिनट सॉरी okay, sorry for delay. Okay, ऊपर नहीं दिख रहा है उसको रफ कर देते हैं और फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ से नहीं दिख रहा है. In the other books you will see time series model as a estimate based on past experience. Okay, as clear from name that in time series model or estimate based on past experience, that you are going to get information from your past and you are going to predict your future. Your future means your company or your production house future. What will be the forecast for the production or for the sale and for the expenditure? Different things will be seen by this time series model or estimates based on past experience. Okay, say for example, you may got reservation in a railways. Okay, you may see that there will be a prediction of confirming your ticket. Okay, you may see or not, but there is a prediction that there is 50% of possibility for confirming your ticket, or 75%, or 100%, or 98%, whatever is the prediction planning or prediction detail. IRCTC prediction is based on the fact that, suppose today is 15th of September, okay, and you are going to book a ticket. Then the ticket, before booking the ticket, you want to see the prediction of the confirmation of the ticket. Okay. Now you click on the prediction, and now you come to know that it is 85% of possibility for the confirmation of ticket. Okay. Now you may book your ticket, or you may not, depending upon your necessity. But the prediction is based on the fact that last year on the same day, that is on 15th of September, today is 15th of September 2020, very worst year. The last year on the 15th of 2019, what are the number of tickets on the same train and on the same class? Same class means whether you are going to reserve a ticket in sleeper, or in a third AC, or second or first AC. Okay, on the same class, number of ticket confirmed. Okay, so that, or you will going to book on the that prediction. Okay, that is IRCTC. Now come to the production, or come to the environment of manufacturing. That is our core mechanical. Okay. Suppose last year a production house or a company predict that, not predicting, but last year, suppose you are in an automobile sector and you own a small shop for your automobile, say bike. Okay, you have a small shop for selling different bikes of a company, say for example Honda. Okay, last year on the month of September, or in the month of Diwali, okay, you are able to sell 200 of bike. Okay, you are able to sell 200 of bike. But now in the same year, this is 2020. Okay, your target will be at least 200, maybe 210. If your target will be high, then after you will going to sell higher number of bike. Okay, means you are going to predict that at least or minimum 200 of bikes must be sold. That is based on your past experience, or based on your past time. This is time series model, na? Okay, based on your time, or based on your past experience, you are able to know that minimum 200 of bikes you will going to sell this year also. Okay, maybe you are selling more or less that not matter, but minimum 200 bikes you are going to sell. Okay. Now write down what we had learned. Now, now you are going to write in a star manner, point wise. Write down. This is the this is the oldest model for forecasting. We have lots of forecasting method, time series model, causal model, regression model, correlation model, moving average model. We have different types of forecasting method. Okay? From all forecasting method, this is oldest type of model because initially we have okay. This is the oldest model and free of cost or cheaper model among all. Okay. In this model, we are using our past experience, means no need of extra employee for your forecasting. The experienced member or experienced employee of your firm can predict using this model. Okay. This is the oldest. I am writing here oldest, but due to reflection of light, you will not able to get what I am writing here. Okay. It assumes that, write down with me. It assumes that what happened in the past will happen in future. It assumes that, write my conclusion. It assumes that what happened in the past will happen in the future. Okay? As we have discussed that what is or what had happened in the past will going to predict the future. We have discussed ISC plan. We have discussed the selling of bike. Okay. We already discussed the point, this point. Okay. Now next point. Example. Example लिखते हैं हम लोग, so that you will able to understand or able to recognize whenever you are going to see this topic. Okay. Suppose taking another example. Apart from bike, apart from railways. Suppose you are in a fan company and last year in summer, the number of fan selling is 2000. Okay, means number of fans selling in the last year is 2000. Now in the present summer, the company owner is setting a target based on the past experience that minimum 2000 of fan will be or must be going to sell this year. Okay, so the minimum target for selling the fan will be 2000 or 2000 plus, not less than that. Okay, this is based on our past experience. Then write down, if a company if a company had sold 2000 fans, it is fans, wall selling, not a fan of actor, actress or cricketer. 2000 fans last summer. Okay, it expect to sell at least the same number, at least the same number. ये यहाँ पे लास्ट लिखा है LAST, इसको ऊपर लिख दे लास्ट, और यहाँ पे ये सेम लिखा है SAME. Okay, SAME same. The at least the same number this summer also, at least the same number this summer also. This question is based on our past experience. Okay, got it? I'm going to Rafiq. Write down from next paragraph. Okay. This is also known as historical estimate. As clear from name, estimate based on past experience. This is also known as historical estimate. Means you are going to see history of your company. Last year you sell 2000 of fan. Last to last year you sell 1900 of fans. Means you are going to increase your sale year by year or season by season. Okay? Write down. This will be accurate if the factor affecting the demand remain unchanged. This will this will be accurate if factors affecting the demand remain unchanged. This is the new point. Now I am discussing it. Suppose, not suppose, this is a real example. We all know that it is a corona pandemic period. Okay, and corona pandemic start from probably in India. This is starting time will be last of February or uh, initial of March. Means corona hitting on the uh, last of February. Okay, and the February time is starting of summer. Means at that time there is decrease in cold season and starting of summer from February, March, April, May, June. March last, April, May, June is the summer season. And in this season, it is supposed that people drinking different cold drinks of different brand, whatever they like. But due to corona pandemic, they they means people stop drinking cold drinks because there is some rumor that if people drink cold drink, they make out cough, and cough is the initial that time initial sign for corona. Okay, so the consumption of cold drink, different cold drinks, deteriorated. Means in the time of summer, suppose in a city, taking example of Gorakhpur, in a city like Gorakhpur, if one day consumption of cold drink is 10,000 of bottles. Now it is a simple example, maybe number gets increase or decrease, I am not knowing. 10 a bottle in regular summer, but due to corona, the consumption deteriorated to 1,000 of bottle per day. Okay, so this is the condition or factor that is affected the consumption of cold drink. Okay, got it? Means our past experience is also based on the different factor. But in this method, we are not going to see the factor affecting the past experience. We also know that in Corona period, the demand of different item, number of items is deteriorated or decreases. Okay? So, Corona is a factor that is going to affect this year, in the year of 2020. Means demand remain unchanged or demand may change due to the factor that we are not considering in the time series model. Okay? But in different model we are considering the factors. Write down the continuation. This is rarely true. This is rarely true. Rarely true means the factor remain unchanged. This is not possible. Each year the same factor you are getting is not possible. Maybe this year corona, maybe next year some other natural calamities. Uh, Maybe next year you will get some good factor that we are that going to increase your demand. Okay, so I'm writing this is really true. This is not true. Means factor remains unchanged. Okay, this is really true. So this method is not scientifically valid. So this method is not scientifically scientifically valid. Okay. So the final forecast is to be modified by some other method. Last point. So the final forecast is modified with some other method. Okay, means first you set your estimate on the basis of your past experience. Then after your past experience estimation, you may forecast by considering the different factors that are going to affect. Suppose uh, this year the cold drink consumption is reduced to 1000 and you are introducing corona high time in your forecasting. So your consumption level is not up to 10,000 bottle per day. You may set up to 5,000 so that you may get your set target. Okay, it's all about time series model and estimate based on past experience model. We know this is also named. We also know that this is a historical model. Now we are going to see causal model. Causal model. This is also related to this time series model. In the syllabus, you will see causal model as well as time series model as a set of one topic. Okay, write down causal model. As clear from name that as clear from name that we are going to see the different cause and the effect of or the effect of the cause means cause and their effect. We are using or we are going to use different factors that are going to affect our forecasting method. Means here we are going to see cause and their effect. Okay, write down causal forecasting is techniques. Causal forecasting is the techniques causal forecasting is the techniques is the technique that assume that assume that the variable that assume that the variable to be forecast has a cause effect relationship. The variable to forecast has cause effect relationship. Okay, as a cause effect relationship with one or more other independent variable. With one or more other independent variables. Okay, has a cause and their effect. Okay, has a cause and their effect is E, not A. There is difference between affect and effect. Okay, means what are the cause of increasing sales or decreasing sales? We are also going to see the different variable, maybe dependent or independent variable that may increase or decrease the sales of a company or manufacturing of a companies. Suppose you are going to open a car agency of Tata, and then in the same city, another and another agencies going to open. So the existing company or existing agencies demand will going to decrease as the another agency is going to open or will open. Okay, so this is the cause and this is the effect relationship. I am going to rub it. Causal techniques usually take into consideration causal techniques usually take into consideration all possible factors consideration all possible factors consideration all possible factors that can impact the dependent variable that can impact the dependent variable. Okay, means causal techniques is going to take into the consideration all possible factors that can impact the dependent variable. But in the time series model, we are not going to see the different factor. That is the difference between causal and time series model. Maybe you get question in your session exam that what is the difference between causal and time series model. Then we got one good different dependent variable. Hence, the data required for such forecasting can range from internal sales data to estimated sales data. Next point. Hence, the data required for such forecasting, hence, the data required for such forecasting for such forecasting can range from internal internal sales data to external data. Internal sales data to external data. Like external data, internal data, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? External data means the surveys that you do for your product, and internal data means the actual things. Suppose in the survey you have seen that the number of mobile that the demand is 2000. Okay, but internally you only get thousand of, or you only able to sell thousand of mobile. So you are going to compare your internal data as well as external data in causal model. What are the cause of decrease in your sales, and what are the effect in the form of deterioration of your mobile, or the selling of number mobile from 2000 to 1000. Okay, got it? External data like survey, micro mechanics indicators like survey. ये external data है. External data like surveys, micro mechanics, CHE and ICS. Micro mechanics indicator. Okay, this is come under the external data, micro mechanics indicator, etc. Okay, I am going to rough it. Last line. Usually causal model is continuously revised. Usually, causal model is continuously revised to make sure that latest information or informations are incorporated in this model. This model means causal model. Okay, right on. Usually, usually causal model model are continuously incorporated, continuously revised to make sure revised to make sure to make sure the latest information the latest information the latest information the latest information is incorporated into the model is incorporated into the model. So we are incorporating the different information or revised information in this model, but this is not happening in the time based estimation model. Okay, this is second different. Okay, you may get a question as I discussed that the difference between causal model and time series model. We have different model that is incorporated in causal model. We are not going to see it, but at least we have knowledge that this is come under the causal model. What are different models? First is regression model, very important. Second, econometric model, and third, leading indicator model. Types of causal model. ऊपर लिखते हैं आप. Types of causal model. Okay. First model is regression model. Okay. You may see this model, regression model. Okay. Second, econometric model. Econometric model. And third, that comes under causal model is leading indicator model. Leading indicator model. We are only writing here for your knowledge only. the types of causal model. But if we have time, we may see the regression model that come under the causal model. Okay. Second is econometric model, depend on the microeconomics or economics of the different cells. Second, leading indicator models means some indication will be there for your causal model. Means ultimately we have to see the cause and their effect. Okay, the cause and what are the effect of that cause that comes under this causal model. Okay, regression model is nothing but we have to set up or provide different data in this model. Famous techniques is there is SPIRE technique we are employing for forecasting by using this regression model. Okay. Now that's all for now. In second class, we will see different forecasting techniques. Number, okay. Maybe moving average or another forecasting techniques. Okay. Thank you.